Reference Library is a collection of specialized subject encyclopedias and other electronic reference books that are purchased by the MCTC Library. The electronic reference books cover a wide range of topics to support the MCTC curriculum. To see all the e-reference books that are included in the database, click on the title list. Or browse by the individual subjects on the left of the page. To get detailed information about each book, click on the cover image. This takes you to the table of contents of the ebook. If you choose to, you can browse through the ebook just like you would a print book. Most reference books provide you with information about the scope and purpose of the book. This information is often found in the preface or introduction. There is also a button on the navigation bar entitled About this publication that provides you metadata about the book. This information is useful in helping you evaluate the quality and authority of the book. You can also get information about the editors and authors from the table of contents. Subject encyclopedias contain articles written by scholars and other experts. The articles are written for a college-level audience. The articles are designed to provide an overview of topics. The articles introduce you to specialized language used in a field of study and provide you with information about the state of research in the field and the names of major scholars in that field. Subject encyclopedia articles are useful when you want a thorough overview of a topic to help develop your research focus. We will start this tutorial with a simple Boolean AND search. I will do a basic search requesting the database to locate ebook articles that contain the words water and shortage. A basic search looks for the search words in the title of the article, the abstract, the subject headings, and the article text. As I type, the database attempts to match what I am searching with the words and phrases located in the database. This can cause the database to overwrite what you type, so you need to pay attention to what is happening in the search box and correct errors that the database might insert into your search. The database locates 4,798 articles that contain these two words somewhere in the database record. The articles are sorted into relevance order based upon the database's interpretation of the search. You can resort the articles in document title, publication date, publication title, or content level order. On the right side of the screen, the database allows you to filter your search results. Since you use reference articles to help develop your research topic, filtering by type of document can help you think more deeply about the topic and how you might develop your research focus. Do you want a broad overview of the topic? Select the Topic Overview filter. Do you want to explore water shortages issues experienced by specific countries or by specific cultures? Press those filters and explore the results. There is also statistical data that you can explore. Notice that when you select a specific document type filter, it appears at the top left of the page. You can narrow your results further by selecting additional filters. If you wish to locate topic overview articles concerning water shortages that contain specific information related to climate change, you can do so. The database limits the results to 104 articles and displays both the filters at the top. To view an article, press the title. Publication information is located at the top of the article record. The article is displayed in HTML format. To see the article in its original print book format, press the Book View icon at the top of the page. To return to the HTML version, press the Text View icon. To get a citation for the article, press the Citation icon. You can download the article as a PDF document and save or print it. At the top of the article itself, you have the option to translate the article into other languages. Change the font size, or have the article read to you.
Water shortages. Water shortages. Introduction. There is no shortage of water on Earth.
At the end of many reference articles, you will find suggestions for related articles in the encyclopedia, as well as a bibliography of books, journal articles, and websites related to the topic of the article. There are also links to other articles related to this topic in this encyclopedia. And at the top right of the page, there are articles related to this topic located in different encyclopedias. As well as links to articles with related subject headings. This ends the Gale Virtual Reference Library tutorial.